Monkey Bar gave the term gastropub a unique makeover with an Indian twist. This fun and quirky New York-inspired bar promises much more than just food and drinks. Warm service, drinks served in jars and Moscow mules, and a relaxed vibe is what you should expect.
Gastropub is a very simple concept. I know the name sounds a little bit fancy, but it's not. It's just a pub or a bar that usually you go to for drinks, but we serve really good food, and that's where the gastro angle comes in. Our burgers are really famous and we put a lot of effort into them. And other than that, our cocktails. So not just straight drinks and beer, which is part and parcel of a pub, but our cocktails are a main feature of our menu, and we keep innovating and changing flavors that suit the Indian palate.
Already an established name in Bangalore and Delhi's Vasant Kunj, Monkey Bar has now reached the heart of the city, Connaught Place. While this seems to be a part of the strategy to win over all the bar lovers in the city, it's actually their love for the heritage and the architecture that got them to CP.
It is where people, anyone who comes to Delhi for the first time, if they want to come anywhere, it's India Gate, CP. So this has a historical value. It's a gorgeous place. I mean, if you look at CP, the architecture, the heritage, everything is amazing. So we wanted to be part of the revival of CP.
Innovation and creativity is exactly what you see when you enter Monkey Bar. Not only the decor, but also the signature food and drinks are customized to the location of the bar.
Drinks would be manga. That is our main signature drink, which is an Aam Panna based cocktail. For Connaught Place, we've created a new signature called Cherry Pop, CP. And we'll be showing you that. That's a drink which is made with cherries as well as candy. So it's got a very nice color and it's got a very nice flavor to it. Copper Monkey is another one, which is served in a copper mug. It's a take on a Moscow Mule, and that's based with whiskey. Food-wise, like I said, burgers are our main signature. We've got some Indian food, which is also our take on regular classics like vada pav. We've got Tikki of Joy, which is a Calcutta-inspired dish. So that's got fish in a Calcutta-style Kasundi mustard sauce. And we've got berry pulao, which is a Parsi dish, very traditional chicken pulao made with Parsi berries. So those are our signatures.
With a strict no reservations and no judgment policy, Monkey Bar is managed by a bunch of happy and welcoming people who offer a bit more than a usual neighborhood bar would.
We have a pool table in all our bars across the country, and they're all free of charge. We do not charge for them. This is part and parcel of the experience at Monkey Bar, so we'd like everyone to come and play and have a good time and enjoy themselves. We take great pride in foosball ourselves because we're always playing it, so any guest who wants to challenge us is always welcome to.
Subscribe to trendspotters.tv for more such updates.